I burned more fat doing this than running for 14 days. Let me explain. First of all, why would anyone want to run? It's boring, it's repetitive, and it's hard on your joints. Now, there is some truth to that last one, but we can fix that by adding variety in our training. Variety keeps things interesting, keeps you motivated, and actually helps you avoid injuries. So 2 weeks ago, I decided to do something crazy. I challenged myself to only do 12 330 training for 14 days straight. And to make it even harder, I decided to do 3 sessions per week. So let's see how it went. What is 12 330 training? It's simple. You alternate between 12 seconds of work and 30 seconds of rest for a total of 30 minutes. But the catch is you have to maintain a specific heart rate zone during those 12 seconds of work. For me, that heart rate zone is between 138 to 152 beats per minute. That's about 65 to 70% of my maximum heart rate. And you can find out what your max heart rate is by subtracting your age from 200. Now, the first few days were really tough because I had to push myself way harder than I normally would on a treadmill. But then something interesting happened. By day 4, I started to feel better. I felt stronger and more energetic. And by day 7, I could tell that I was burning fat. In fact, I burned more fat in those 7 days than I would have if I'd just been running. You might be wondering, why is this happening? Well, it has to do with the intensity of the workout. When you do 12 330 training at a high enough intensity, your body burns more calories in less time. And that's because you're working at a higher heart rate for a longer period of time. And when you burn more calories, you burn more fat. In fact, I burned an average of 400 calories per session. And that's double what I would burn if I had just been running for 30 minutes. So how much weight did I lose? Well, I lost 1.5 pounds or 680 grams. And that's not including the water weight that I would have lost if I'd just been running. Now, 1.5 pounds may not sound like a lot, but it's actually pretty good for 2 weeks. And that's because I didn't change anything else about my diet or my training. I just added in 3 12 330 sessions per week. So, should you try this? Well, if you're looking to burn fat and you don't want to run, then yes. But if you're new to exercise, I wouldn't recommend it because you need to be in decent shape to do 12 330 training. The best way to start is to ease into it by just doing 12 330 intervals for a few minutes at the end of your workouts. Then as you get stronger, you can increase the number of sets and reps that you do. The other thing you need to keep in mind is that 12 330 training is not a magic bullet. You still need to follow the basic principles of burning more calories than you consume to lose weight. So there you have it. I burned more fat doing 12 330 training than running for 14 days. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss my next video. Thanks for watching.